Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can read your Hudi transactional data lake tables which are on object store, maybe Minio, maybe S3, how you guys can read it locally in your PySpark job. Okay, so let me just say, tell you what I'm trying to say. You have your Hudi tables on S3, and maybe you're doing some exploratory data analysis, or maybe you're trying to develop some ETL pipeline and you want to read or fetch those Hudi tables from S3, which are on S3 on your local PySpark job, which is running on your laptop, right? So that's what we're going to focus. And the key important thing to focus in this video is the packages and the configuration. These are the two very important things. So if you do not have the right package and the right config, it's not gonna work. So let's focus on how you can read your tables locally. All right. So first of all, I would want to show you on S3. As you can see, that's the bucket that I have, and here you can see I have my Hudi table and the Hudi metadata and the Parquet files. So let's see how I can read it locally, right? So I'm gonna show you, it's easy. But again, right packages are very important over here. Okay. First of all, I want to say I am using Spark 3.4, and with Spark 3.4, Hudi 0.14.0, 0.14.1, they all work fine, right? So if you're using a different Spark version, you need to check the compatible Hudi version with that. That's number one that I want to say. Now with Spark, the OpenJDK 11 works fine. So that's the Java version I have. So if you have a different Java version, probably may not work, okay? All right, so these are the important packages that we want to focus on, right? The most important being are these two over here. So I'm going to just read it out loud. So the first package we need is or.apache.hudi Hudi -spark, then the Spark version -bundle _ 2.12, and then the appropriate Hudi version that you're using. After that, this is important, or.apache.hadoop Hadoop AWS, and then the version is 3.3.4. So we need the Hadoop AWS package. And then also we need .com.amazon AWS AWS-java SDK -bundle 1.12.773. These three packages are very, very crucial. You need that, okay? So after that, then also you need the right configuration that you need to set, right? So I'm going to cover that in the video. So the first, we're going to set the Spark serializer to or.apache.spark.serializer to cryo serializer. And then the important thing over here are these configuration. So spark.hadoop.fs.s3a.access.key, you're going to provide your AWS access key, which your sysadmin probably gave you. You would use your secret key over there. And then you have to define your S3A endpoint, which will be https://s3.amazonaws.com. Okay, and then you need to set this particular class, which is important. Spark.hadoop.fs.s3a implementation needs to be set to or.apache.hadoop.fs.s3a.s3a file system. Okay. So these configurations are very, very crucial. Okay, so we'll just execute this. And then when you provide your path, make sure you use S3A and not S3. Okay, so this is important. Okay, and then just execute it as you would do it on a glue job or any Spark notebook, right? And here you are able to read that table which resides on S3 locally on my PySpark environment. Now I will leave the packages and the sample snippet in the description below. So that way it makes your life a little easy. So for any exploratory data analysis, for any incremental pipeline or any goal tables that you're building, you can read it locally, you can test it out, and then you can probably deploy it on, I don't know, like Glue or EMR, whatever you guys are using, right? So I hope this video was useful. With that being said, please make sure to like, subscribe, and as usual, keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.